Hey you guys, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back, family. But I'm here with my 6-month update. As some of you guys know, my computer was having some issues, so this video is about 2 months old, but I still wanted you guys to know what my hair did at month 6. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Make sure that you like and comment, and let's just get straight into this video. So we're definitely like locking, but I feel like because my hair is so long, it's just gonna take a while for the entire thing to really lock up. But definitely like towards the top, seeing locking happening in my hair. Up in here is definitely hard. And I just feel like every month that goes by, it's just getting harder and harder and a little bit more dense, which is good because that means that it's really becoming locks. But yeah, we're doing good. As far as, so you can really just see, like my hair definitely does not have a retwist anymore. So don't judge me, but we're definitely just getting some thickness in here. You can see, and then on the ends, some of them have balls and then some of them don't. So some of them are definitely still in just a curly state. I would say most of them are in a curly state. Some of them have developed balls. You can kind of see this one here. Kind of has like that little ball that's collecting. So that's what's happening with some of the locks. I'll show you guys the back. But you can just see in the back, my roots are definitely looking thicky. I'll just let this one fall since it wants to fall, but hopefully you can kind of just see how it's, the ones in the back are definitely, I feel like, locking faster than the ones in the front. That's been true for the whole process throughout my hair. I feel like the back ones just lock up faster just because maybe I sleep on the back of my head or whatever, but the front definitely takes longer to lock. You can just see, let me see if I can get a good angle for you guys. Hopefully you can see what they're looking like. I have given a lot of consideration to trimming my ends, and I'm thinking that I might possibly very soon, but I have not done it yet. I still have just been letting my hair do what it wants to do and just do its own thing, and it is what it is. But I am thinking about eventually just getting like a trim up on some of my ends. I don't know if I'm gonna do it myself or if I'm gonna go to a loctician. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on that one, but that's something I'm definitely considering. I want to color my hair so bad, you guys. I'm trying so hard not to do it, and I told myself that when I get locks, I will not lighten my hair. That's what I said. I said if anything, I would dye it black, but I said I would not lighten my hair. That is what I told myself. However, I want to lighten my hair. I want to do it so bad, and I just feel like I'm seeing it everywhere. I feel like every time I log on to Instagram, a new person has dyed their hair, and I'm just sitting there looking at it like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I do it, then I'm just gonna pop up. Y'all are just gonna see my hair a different color, but I don't know. I'm really trying not to because I've just heard so many bad things. I've heard so many bad things. Like 8 out of the 10 things I've heard about dyeing your locks have typically been bad. That it will damage your hair. It's gonna make it drier. It's gonna make it more brittle. Like, why am I even considering it? But it's so cute. We'll see. As far as washing, honestly, you guys, shampoo changes every month. Like, it depends on what's closest to me in the shower, what I'm running out of. Like, I have definitely switched my shampoos a couple of times. Every shampoo I use, though, has been shampoos I have used throughout my life already. So it's not like I'm trying just new products on my hair, but normally it's either going to be like Dr. Bronner's or it's going to be Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shampoo. And I do feel like I'm starting to truly retain some length. Now, my retwist is definitely a couple weeks old now, so I'm not like showing all the length that I have actually acquired. I'm not showing all of the length that I have. I think it's secured, I don't know. But because my retwist has kind of faded away, you guys can't see that. My hair is actually getting kind of lengthy. If I can insert some photos or clips, I will. But that's one thing, is that I feel like finally I'm honestly seeing some length coming in. We are 6 months. It's not hang time, but I do feel like just compared to where we were on install day and on month 1, I'm definitely seeing a lot more length. I feel like even with this style, even though my hair is up right now, I feel like you can still kind of tell that this is just hanging longer and we're definitely looking a little bit more lengthy in here. For sure. I feel like my hair, and hopefully this makes sense, but I feel like my hair has more like swing to it now. Like it has more body. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like when I first put my locks, when I first put the twist in, and you know, throughout that first month to like month 4 or whatever, it just felt very stiff. Like it wasn't a whole lot of swing because I felt like my hair, like the locks didn't have enough weight to it yet to really have like any drop and swing. Like it was just kind of there. Like it wasn't swinging, like it didn't have any swing. Hopefully that's making sense. I hope that you understand what I'm saying, but I feel like now that I am, you know, at month 6, I feel like my locks have collected enough hair to just have a little bit more weight to it. So now they just have a little bit more swing and they have a little bit more movement, which is nice because nobody really wants stiff hair. Who wants stiff hair? My hair is definitely taking this sweet old time with just truly locking. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated. You guys know I'm always here trying to give you guys the updates. A few videos, if you haven't checked them out already, that I know you're gonna love, is make sure that you go watch my Why Did I Start Locks video. So if you're wondering why I started this journey, why I'm so committed, why I don't want to comb them out, go watch my video as to why I started my locks. I'll put the link in the description. Another hot video right now is my lock visual that I did from 1 to 4 months. So if you want to see just visually with pictures and videos how my hair has really progressed, and you can just kind of dissect every little photo and every little video just to see what's changing, then I will put that video below in the description. You can go watch my lock visual. It will show my hair progressing from before I got locks up to the month 4. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be back with more lock updates, but make sure that you check out some of my other videos. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Bye.